Sushi Squad. I feel like there's not that many episodes left.
I think there's like 4 more episodes before we go on to the
season 2.
Season.
And I think
the movie.
We're gonna watch the movie for and put that on Patreon. But we're gonna watch every episode for YouTube as well.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, I wanna watch
Without further ado, let's go. Episode 22. Master of the Mansion. Unwavering Resolve arc. That's like the season, right?
Yeah, or there's like different arcs to this.
Okay.
So what they were just in, I think it's the Mount Natakumo arc.
Literally, basically the
Number
second
11
to the last, like in strength.
Yeah.
That is insane because he basically was gonna take out Tanjiro. Like if your boy didn't come through, if you didn't come through, who knows what would happen. So
I know.
I'm like excited but a little nervous for all of the future adventures. Let's go.
Alright. Dude, they all look sick. All these little features.
Dang, dude, they look so sick.
Yeah.
Right off the bat, the guy with the orange hair, I'm a real big guy with the orange hair, but then the guy with the it looks like he has
2 swords.
2 swords.
That's Andy's favorite.
He looks sick
character.
too.
I think his name is Tengen?
Tengen?
I think that was his
Sounds
name.
pretty badass.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, also, people have pointed out that like, we kind of like made fun of Shinobu, where we're like, oh, she's sarcastic, or she's like a stickler for rules.
We didn't make fun of her.
We didn't. That was the wrong way of saying it. Basically, we were like kind of calling her a Karen or whatever.
Oh.
But like, we have to think about like how most of these people are demon slayers because like they've been affected by demons. Like maybe they killed their family member, so they're like very passionate about, you know, because demons are bad. You know,
Yeah.
she's just following like what is.
Yes and no.
knows.
I would still play devil's advocate for anyone who like would call us or call me out on anything that we said.
Oh no, it wasn't a call out. It was just like a gentle reminder, like, you know, these people have been affected by demons, and that's why they're in the Demon Slayer course.
I can see that, but I do want to keep in mind, like, if you have been affected by demons and you come across someone like Nezuko and Tanjiro, like, you should then have the kind of understanding to be open-minded to hearing about the situation.
Yeah.
Then, so Shinobu, then as devil's advocate, I think if she was really that like passionate about demons, then she should look to understand first before just like executing on the rules.
Yeah.
So that's all.
I mean, that's why Tanjiro is like the main character. I
know,
think he helps bring that understanding, open-mindedness, empathy towards demons. Like they were once humans.
Yeah, yeah.
That's just why like she is a stickler for rules.
No, I think that's totally fair. But don't get me wrong, I think she is a badass, and I think 100%. She's gonna play a pivotal role.
Maybe even like
moving in the future.
Maybe even developing cure. Like maybe she works with that demon doctor.
No, I think she's really cool. By the way, I think she's really cool.
Yeah.
But
sorry,
yeah.
I didn't mean to say that we were making fun of her. It was like the way that we were. You know what I mean?
Yeah. But I mean, she kind of did come across like in our first impression.
Yeah.
That's another thing to keep in mind is like you guys are coming from the thought process of knowing who she is, and like we're as a reaction, like we're giving you our genuine reaction when we first encounter a character. That's all it is. So keep that in mind. I'm sure things will change and will align more with your guys' feelings, I'd imagine. So.
Yeah. Okay.
Dang, that guy looks sick.
Dude, that tall guy, he's huge.
He has no pupils. Dude, he is big.
Shinobu. Every single time.
I need those fire socks.
Oh.
Flame? sound.
Oh, she's cute. I like her look.
Stone. Mist.
Oh, that's a guy? The 9 highest ranking.
2, 4, 6.
Oh, there's another one.
Serpent.
Oh, he's right there. She's definitely a very loving.
Love is her power.
Love Hashira, yeah.
Kawaii. Water.
Insect. Master? Who's this? Wait, was he the one with the haircut?
Wind.
No! Yo.
Are you kidding me?
That's so rude. Who's the master? Oh.
Dude, please! Please!
Oh! His head!
Let's... With his hands tied behind his back.
So hard-headed.
He just literally just took out one of the
She left.
top 9. Let's go.
Whoa, look at his blade. Oh, that's them.
Oh. The twins.
Doesn't the guy with the scars look like one of the
Yeah.
final guy, right?
Yeah, but remember he had a shaved head. He had
Yeah.
super ugly hair.
Oh, it's him.
Where's
He was
Oz?
like,
Where was he from? We've
I
seen him?
remember we've seen him like in one of the episodes. He was like talking in a room with someone. And he was like, let's just see what happens. Or maybe he didn't say something. I don't know. It was like along the lines of that.
I feel like I don't remember his
I remember his
face.
voice. I remember his voice and like his hair.
He kind of reminds me of Michael Jackson though. They're related.
Peter?
I mean, like the hair, the pale skin, even the jawline. Like,
I don't know.
I mean, it's a wild guess.
Yeah.
But
Ohayo minna.
this guy's cool.
Oh.
Oh, bowing.
Yeah. Alright.
炭治郎と禰豆子のことは私が容認していた。そしてみんなにも認めてほしいと思っている。私は承知しかねる。俺も派手に反対する。私は全て親方様の望みまま従います。僕はどちらに。
Dude, their personalities are so distinct.
Yeah. I'm gonna forget anyways.
手紙を。
Is it from Uradaki?
That's what I was thinking. Yes. Yes.
そのまま2年以上の歳月が経過いたしました。もしも禰豆子が人に襲いかかった場合は、かまど炭治郎をお呼び。鱗滝左近次、富岡義勇が腹を切ってお詫びいたします。
Dang, even Giyu agreed to that?
Wow.
Dang.
Oh my god, that is love.
That's so, like, I felt that, man. Damn, even Giyu?
切腹するからなんだというのか。これを否定するためには、否定する側もそれ以上のものを差し出さなければならない。
Yep.
この炭治郎は鬼物児と遭遇している。そんなまさか、柱ですら誰も。
Oh, really? No one has ever.
戦ったの。鬼物児が何をしていた。練習は突き止めたのか。おい答えろ。黙れ。俺が先に聞いてるんだ。
Dude, he gives me Michael Jackson vibes.
Kind of.
炭治郎に向けて追っ手を放っているんだよ。承知できない。
Is he about to cut us off?
What?
Oh, maybe he's trying to see if she would eat him.
Oh, yeah.
Dang. Aww, that's so cool.
Good, do it.
Okay, you don't have to aggravate her. Jeez. They're so rude.
Oh my gosh, this is like... His life is on the line right now, Giyu.
I mean, look at her. She's so cute with the bow tie. That,
No!
Oh my god, that went by so fast!
Oh.
Dude, these cliffhangers really get you, huh?
Oh my god, okay, I really want to see what she sees, because you know how she sees humans.
Oh yeah, she's gonna see them as like her siblings.
And I want to see that. Oh my gosh, this is...
Let's watch the end.
Yeah. Where are they at? Zenitsu and
I think they're being held.
Butterflies. I see what you did there. I'm so, you know what I'm really excited about is I love that each of them has their own, like, not element per se, but kind of like own specialty or special power. The only thing is Giyu and Tanjiro, well, we don't know, but Tanjiro started off with water, but then he got fire as well. Tanjiro might be like, I didn't watch all of it, but I watched some of Avatar. The Last Airbender, where he's able to like use multiple. That would be kind of cool.
Yeah, that would be cool.
And I don't know if there was a reference to, they said something about Nezuko having a power that even Michael Jackson wasn't aware of.
Yeah.
Like the fact that she was able to do
Blood Demon art.
Yeah.
What?
No, you have nothing to say?
No.
Nothing?
I mean,
nothing at all?
Information overload, and I know better to just keep my questions to myself and just keep watching.